Who would have thought? It's gotta feel good. Keep it up.
Let me see some heads nodding, fist pumping, feet stomping, shaking necks, breaking, earthquake. Let's move. Battle, we got nothing to prove. Let's move. That's one supply of people with the groove. Let's move.
Hard tracks remind me of blacks with hard facts. These are facts. Drowning in the swamp like R-Tax. Boston the fear facts. Chill, watch Miramax flicks. Then I start to get sick. Hail drop. Take 39 like the Hail Bob. 4 teachers, 1 meal. Cop. Then the atmosphere will get real hot.
My flow is like torrential downpours making steel rock. We pros whose credentials drown yours on the real blocks. It's not coincidental that we tour some real spots. Appeal, IMAs never take it for granted. Write a memo and hand it to your receptionist. The game's about to change, here come the perceptionist.
I'm a genie. The next time you see me, it's Ouija. It's easy. I'm folding this dimension and breeze it. Event Horizon, Miles Bennett, Dyson M, Tyson M, Spice the components for
2 black orators
of the year.
Yeah, here the masters of the hemisphere.
Universe.
Pumping knowledge through the verse.
Intensity.
Adrenaline. Hip-hop's propelling through my melanin. Gentlemen, behold.
Live on David Letterman, you're sold on the brother's whole song. You want it?
Never gonna stop trying to get it, dude. Never turn my back on my city, breeze. Never let the money stop with me.
Stand by, I may have something here. Suspect is in a silver Mercedes, moving way above posted limit.
Person be advised, case is now condition 2.
Suspect lost, get units ahead to canvas the area.
Confirming suspect was last seen southbound on Bond Boulevard. Quad can be set up around the immediate area. Remaining units begin patrol within the zone.
Dispatch, Charlie 29, get fast ahead to buzz the zone. This guy can't be too far. Dispatch, this is Charlie 29. Containment is shifted. Details via PDP. Dispatch,
be set up a quadrant ASAP. Units remain on Code 6 status till further notice.
Roger that, dispatch. This is Charlie 2-4. I have 4 units with me. We'll form a static quadrant southeast of his location. Vehicle spotted. Got units over here. I'm going with a 1059. 1033. Get those units over here now.
Roger that to Echo 34. I've got ground units clearing up and en route.